Hi, salam to all Muslim. Today how to flash firmware or update Sony tab from 4 to Android 5. How to flash it tool are in the description, download it, also the ROM file and drivers as well when all complete. File is 100% tested, you just need to install all things in proper way. First install flash driver provided in link, then install flash tool, load the ROM files provided, connect it in flash boot not fast boot. Install the tool and run it as admin once that is done. Click on this livening icon and select the firmware form the ROM that you have download. When that is complete, connect the device in flash boot mode. The firmware file and then connect the device in flash boot mode. Turn of device connect by pressing volume up. If didn't work, then press volume down. Now click the lightning icon and let it flash. Don't unplug it, don't turn of anything or mess with anything. Once done, it will restart the tab. Then use a battery cable and battery fully charged in both laptop and tablet. Ports properly connected. If brick device, we aren't responsible for anything. All files are as shown given in the link description from our blog. That's all folks. God bless us all, Ameen. Pray for my Muslim brother and sister, Ameen.